Well, I was here for Musa Moshe na KTV. Nyami inshallah said the Lebia Mekano. Ubia unyamre enya time. A trance a share program biani the Nyami inshallah. Nemo don't forget say always no catch you say or subscribe. Na jumadi na yedi na enkoso. Na ene semetra kunye mu dia no say enya opani kese ba ko a yepesa ye ne etwetwe nkomo. Opani America na say me eyobia okokuma wuda na say Ghana from acting na oyobia on so ubon homodin e wodwumadi nim why sini bibre so hwe ni sini ya yiba ya and it's part of the sini no awono etwaye na ne yabomodin enya no brother Pepe let's say
Yami adomenia
if you boko dey
if you boko pa
na awon fe no menim say is a life no my head akosuo is the life nko on
say I did ye the war dey dia wo because I started from my father so my father will be open dressing pa my mother was the same thing and I will be only me family no class so hwe me nua Frank be do ntia mo so ye movie
unia ne Frank be do ntia mo
ono so ye movie wo hwe na we me say dressing if rebution ani
you be entire chemu dia mo yire mo bom homodin pa
ye pa dia efe
Pepe ye kapipa Pepe I believe say Pepe the name Cristiano Ronaldo Pepe ya obobore ya na say hwan ya
ye kapipa Pepe ya branch bia o started na brabo e Kumasi atunsu na mi wie school or Central International e we dum pampaso na me free hono na me call Graben Secondary School na me entertainment prefect na me wie me koye professional studies I was spring professional studies me study journalism and marketing or until me person me enter into radio and television broadcasting but once I realize there enye dey epe and e benya until me wie sa professional studies no na se me start na me digra until me ko hu madam for bi Satan after mobile phones basopa until me started se me ko Dubai kwa so e ko fa ne mam ko fa phones number beton until na me taye translate wo Italy mo hase e wo Milan ti me ya madwe se no me sisem kakra na my transit wo Holland skipo until me ko Holland embassy se me ko visa me draw me delay man am hu say abranti bi ignala ni movie ti me na mo abranti that's we movie ti me ben na samofuri samofuri baby obi am chia I salute you
samofuri ocha movie
samofuri ocha movie nti me ko na nchen na ti yedidi nkoma no busam sa me Kumasi ni na so me free Kumasi ne ba no so ono so free Kumasi ne de e bai na me so okay ene sadia na ye nyine bit masa ko back at the same time ti ye ko back ne yedi nkoma bebrebe wo kem ti satan no tin share so na me so meti atonso ade achi na me ko no ti yedidi nkoma as boys there ti hu say ye mie no ye kleke nti still nam da so ko
yes say no say me ma ha Pepe chere ekwan a ofa so be wura movie industry ni ananya bebisa
yeah nti edidi nkomo bebrebe nti one emphasis 2006 and I started seminary ko set so na mama Brown producing the first movie ne fe na Alicia temene samene ko ti edu set no so no me hwede we no musi ya na me ka che same say same we dem meet my day ayibi no ka so sa but still na mani nje acting no ba na me fe se me yibi nti menene nanti ya ma ne ye movies bebrebe classic bogus movies bebrebe mint ka ibu okra nti mama out all this time there when nya dia movie nti mama out nti ye to aso babra bona say ebedu 2009 and I'm cause okay fine also there was change of government in 2008 we first say MPP free suma
NDC buy
yes NDC buy and ma say ni mamu ye stock akra I'm kind of sad and me jai kwan so kona maybe movie. I started producing my first movie. Me and me produce here.
All right. So now, no, from the acting side, you are also a producer.
Oh yeah, I'm a producer. Yeah. First movie I'm a feature in it. Me I'm a movie. Okay. I started producing from 2009. That was Sikadaka, and me feature Captain Smart crowd. Many first person the Captain Smart he create movie.
Oh, okay. Let's say, over industry in Lanka, so one header active baby now. Yeah, you just move on to say to produce a movie any day. Mami mura wakakra, samika semijawa, wansha, obeka. How do you see Ghana movie industry, especially Kumawood?
Kumawood is getting better because me who is a now young directors are good. And see ocean movies are first me now from 2005 and from 2000 to today now which means it changes baby by day. And when it comes to even the marketing side now, before so we told movie 2000 was hey Marcelio, but and now we told 100,000 copies.
To share a qua abontini and amount for chicken coma. Do no and someone more can say and Kumawood they don't see it well.
That is their opinion.
Okay.
Oh, that is their opinion. Because me to me Pepe need me who say money more be. Oh, more be as I say no say they are doing good works. But my problem kakra na say see na say selling or marketing no above from kakra because of the economy. No?
Yes, the Ghana economy no so affected the movie industry no.
Oh pa.
Like how?
On say dollar no ekosra. CDs ni you try no company bi.
Okay.
And he say who could try say CDs ni bo kosra. How are you going to manage to sell it? So what else? And they say doom so no maybe a kaka on into manko for antis kanyade into CD or back okota a light man or the wakoshe. So in terms of producers now I slow down kakra because it's kind of we invest. It's kind of we invest. And we invest here who can say ubinya profit ahead the free so. And who the question as or when as I am the question is can free moma didn't do scabere a bishop. And I think say with the technical side and the movies our stories in there a good a better for now no because directors like OT John Sajimai Samuel Furi Jackson Cabin too. They are doing
very well. Yeah. Let me come to this. Social industry, especially Kumawood. Say assembly beja and I say assembly beto we as and I say Ghana media for instance say obi nim wasamia abey. Obe ade beche na obi nim story, obi nim mama ni hu, obi nim like this, obi nim and I say I tell you like me as a producer. Don't you guys have any story mobile than say to wait for somebody to get into trouble before Ansanama acted on it?
Like I say, nothing wrong with it. Even it happened in Hollywood. But there are so many issues. SEC America for their movies. So many issues. Yeah, BBC America. That was I think somewhere 2002, 2003 more. BBC snipers. There was one guy who got it baby. No, what should you be? No, granny. But later the police for me who say na Jamaica ni back na America ni back na yes so but only the movie. The movie was a hit. So what I say, and as businessmen and as marketers and producers always we are looking up to something to make movie out of it. It mean I don't see nothing wrong with it. Say maybe will be an issue about maybe a PEPE issue about it be movie. Be wrong with it.
All right, let's come to this. 1 year Kasano can be about Ghana economy any idea. Say you Ghana economy. I think say now we should come with I think politics or movie acting.
Yeah, man, who say go for be the more rap politics or more it be supporting NDC, it be supporting MPP. But to me, people need me who say obi on the right. So be choose say party with me and I say party with me Osha America musician be to say T.I. or be to say Jay-Z or be to say Beyonce Tyrese be Omunina declare almost support for Obama. Okay. Even Oprah declared support for Obama. And so Omuna make I say entertainment Omuna pillars are America. But almost standing a declare stand. I don't see nothing wrong with it. But
people say America and Africa. You're thinking of the way you're thinking is different.
Yeah.
You know, social, for instance, Kuma would hear interviews with Brilliant and be Makasa. They were talking, so since I declare myself into one part, you know, the producers, like for instance, you like your type, you stop using them. Why? Since our names will be our on the right, you know, I don't know, be declare moon you soon your chronicable.
I think there's no director behind any feeling. And there's no producer behind any feeling. I think even one of the Kumawood stars declared a stand. That was better about 2012. No? Since then, independent free industry. No? Maybe will be an independent free industry. Yeah, because Africans, even Ghanaians, you follow your passion more than the truth. So what did they make an say? The feeling no wouldn't say we no yet emano but no credit the whole so what I say no credit the whole but the feeling mum no person yet we man and once one need the feeling no man na could di no credit mu no obe na town for so see make I say me say me director na say ejaku Lemon so oye MPP ni oye NDC na so oni meeting oni because oni be party mo na say me twa movie na say Lemon be team movie na hater didn't am kofa no ma kofa because I'm thinking about my money. The MPP NDC there is their own good.
All right, I wish I form go so much na KTV yani Kumawood actor and I say Ghana actor all the way from Ghana Pepe and I attrition komo. Now, when you say, no, who say, busy, oh, Germany more industry, na call from Tina, say, why fast, say, Johnny Ababesha Hana. The don't actually say actors, no, because I'm about, just say, actors in Johnny by Europe, I didn't hear.
Ubi Johnny. Okay, Mimi Pepe, dear, because I'm Ghanaian free Ghana. I'm here because of my family. My wife is German, and I'm a man now, so yeah. German into say me ba ba fi so ana me anga sa so cry me ka say me German into me ba Germany dia I'm in my country. Okay, so what did I make an say if me ka say me ko Ghana mu kra na
wako foreign land
mako foreign land
Ebo na nyane TSS so far no oba Germany so no I think say Bremen how no over ni ade no what acting gauge be ewo say na ho nsem suti
oh yeah me buy no my better production kese pa ewo Hanover anye ma anya ma Hanover for nko me members ni bo Hamburg e bi wo Dortmund e bi wo Essen ebi wo Bremen just say baby wo Germany could be also na aye kese production aye kese ama me ko fa me no mo ye mo Ghana no ebi eba eni nyina be ka bom be ye adwuma na na mama Brown aba me aye adwuma Emilia Brobi me amenu aba me aye adwuma papa Kumasi aba me aye adwuma Salinko ni mo na so na mko aso mo ye de omoba or magic production atum ISCC and make I say your movies be within if I say within 4-5 months your movies getting to be 10.
Oh okay. I say oh boy homoding at you for a kasi attrition comona you better change but yeah demre and a year juma I believe say yamre na so sabaya I say do and on and can anymore kitty see I'll be baby woman no and on I can't send baby na so bi wo Europe wa no person obe join movie industry na kwan be so no be for obetimi enya contact na so obetimi baba join
Ekwa obefa so ne se obeko Facebook na Prince Bedu Ntiamwa obo Prince Bedu Ntiamwa wo send me message bia e be di nkomo
Prince Bedu Ntiamwa wo send message only on me person me acting not message on online. Anyway, I was not for Musa Mshana KTV meeting in an aqua Ishmael Smith and then no boy for Musomasin or Mube Jamaica Rehab Center or also Eka or Bon Homo de Pass or Ghana a Jamaica or ye Obi Omame and now Papa be a penny when you now Opo be obeshano any idea or Omami Ekoha almost if you come more doctors or more Shamami Fui ni Papa Fui on the Momo Journey don't be almost say Debia or more Jamaica a year Asante another Asante region a year Aguna Jamaica and no more ben Jamaica Central Hospital and no more ben Obomodin Edomami and now Papa when you be a stroke be a yeno or the Koha Obomodin Abuana Ashana Bibia Ayakamapa Pepe now who will be a person chiano.
Yeah. Edi kan me dey ase be Nyankopon. Okay. Because ona ma yenkwa ama da so etiase. The to su me no me dey ase be my wife. Gertrude Bedu Ntiamwa. You see, behind every successful man, there's a woman who was supporting me from day one till now. Ebi anyo onwa anka minya eniji fanye movie adwuma. Okay. Yeah, and they also make sure me production members. Okay. My assistant some striker. Okay. Striker yeah or Hanover. Okay. Mechiano. Najbi Mami B. Okay. Mechiano. Miami Nuyaba Gaga. Who's Gaga so Mechiano. Linda Siki. Sika Kono, a wife, Ross Mechiano, and Pastor Derek Mechiano. Just a Mechia members nina Ben and Ubia Wakabia, Chia Ubia.
Alright, and I mentioned Hanover for you and Bremen Mechiamana, Oko Hamburg, so Mechia, Yaminiaba, Porte collection, and also our Bishop Hamburg, Mechiamopa. Yame Aya Duma, next time, and I said next week, the same time, the same place, you know. Yene Obinso, Ever Chuchanko, Yami Insha. Bye.